We have a 1999 Nissan Forklift. The model is a CPJ02A25PV. It has a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel with a reliable Nissan H20 engine. Has cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. The drive tires are brand new. Has an automatic transmission with a forward neutral reverse lever. It has a 3-section mast. The mast is 88 inches collapsed. The forks will lift to a maximum height of 193 inches. That's approximately 16 feet. It's good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long standard forks. The mast has tilt function forward and back. Also has side shift function, move the fork carriage side to side. Functional headlights. This forklift's been serviced and is ready to work.